Hello guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix TikTok live option not showing after 1k followers. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So fixing this problem can be complicated because the issue itself might be from TikTok itself. But before that, we first have to make sure that it's not working on our end. In this case, first thing that you need to do here is you need to clear your cache. Now sometimes clearing your cache or your temporary files here could actually help a lot. In this case, look for TikTok, press and hold on it, and click on app info. Now under app info, what we need to do is we need to click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen, and from here click on clear cache and click on OK. Now once we've done that, open up TikTok and see if that solves your issue. Now the next thing that you want to do here, if the first method does not work, then we need to contact support. In this case, go and click on TikTok at the top right. In this case, access TikTok here, and what we need to do next is we need to access our profile. Now, in this case, we need to go to our profile at the bottom right here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, once in our profile, what we need to do next is we need to access our settings. Now, at the top right here, go ahead and click on the 3-bar icon. And on the 3-bar icon, what we need to do here is we need to access the settings and privacy. Now, from here, what we need to do next is we need to scroll down a bit here until we see the section that says report a problem. Now, in this case, let's go and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to choose the appropriate options or the responses here for us to actually report this one. In this case, let's just wait for it to pop up here. Now on the next page, what we need to do next is we just need to choose the option here that says submit a report. And what we need to do next is we need to tell them about the feedback here. In this case, you just need to mention that currently you don't have the TikTok live option available to you, although you meet the criteria of 1,000 followers. In this case, if you have any screenshots, you can go ahead and add it here by clicking on the image icon in here, and from here on just click on submit for you to start reporting. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elan app. Thank you for watching.